Roadmap to become a cloud architect. What does a cloud architect do? A cloud architect designs and manages scalable, secure, and cost-efficient cloud infrastructure for applications and systems. Where it's used, cloud architecture is used in enterprises, startups, SaaS platforms, and any organization using AWS, Azure, or GCP. Start with the basics. Understand cloud computing concepts like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Learn networking fundamentals. Learn VPC, subnets, DNS, load balancing, and firewalls. Work with cloud platforms. Gain hands-on experience with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Understand system design. Learn scalability, high availability, and fault-tolerant architecture. Learn security and identity management. Understand IAM, encryption, and cloud security best practices. Work with DevOps tools. Use Docker, Kubernetes, and C/CD pipelines. Learn infrastructure as code. IOC. Use Terraform or CloudFormation to automate infrastructure. Focus on cost optimization. Learn how to design cost-effective cloud solutions. Build real-world architectures. Design scalable systems, like microservices and distributed apps. Prepare for certifications. AWS Solutions Architect, Azure Architect, or GCP certifications. Be ready for challenges managing complexity, security risks, and system failures. Think like a cloud architect. Focus on scalability, reliability, and efficiency. Design the backbone of modern applications. Start your journey today and become a cloud architect building future-ready systems.